Every single day I come to Uber and it feels like I'm able to challenge myself, I'm able to have the tools to do so, and I'm able to grow.
Beep, beep, beep. Uber for shine. Okay, let's get started.
How's my hair?
How can someone be successful at Uber?
I do really believe that every individual has to be in the driving seat of where they want to go.
You drive your own growth and you create that path for yourself.
Keep a really open mind into what's available at Uber. If you keep embracing opportunities that do show up, growth is nearly unlimited.
You're surrounded by just smart, motivated individuals, and being in an environment like that encourages growth.
What are some of the ways someone can grow at Uber?
Every intern who started Uber get a mentor who supports them along the way. Now that I'm a full-time employee, I get the support from my manager, but I do still have my mentor.
We also have different more formal resources like training, courses.
I've had the opportunity to work in different teams across different functions. It's been formal and it's been informal.
While at Uber, I've grown by relocating, and I've also grown by improving both my technical skills and my soft skills.
So you've been able to grow and advance your career at Uber?
Yes. The biggest difference between my first role at Uber and my current role, the scale of the work.
We have a great path to go from individual contributor to engineering manager. I've been here for 9 years now. I used to be a junior engineer and I grew all the way. Now the company is so much larger, but that startup culture, like that passion is still there.